Do it again, buddy.
Don't touch the side. Uh-oh. Last time was better. Remember, don't touch the side.
Help me.
Help you.
Yeah.
Wait, don't grab it so low. Grab it here like this.
And be careful, don't hit the side.
And
Pinch,
then,
pinch it. Oh, so close. Ah!
this was funny.
Alright. Pinch it. Good job!
Hey!
I dropped it.
Oh, we
You dropped in another one. Uh-oh, get it back out.
Can you get it out of that hole?
It fell in that hole.
Yeah, it did.
Remember, try not to hit the sides.
That turns it off. Put it on the one. Too far here.
There you go.
No, leave it there. Watch, you can still get buzzed. Truly. Yay! You did it!
It's my turn again. Let's snip it and get it.